Weather-wise, although it was a wet weekend in central Illinois, the heavy rains were beneficial in combating the recent dry conditions.
So in this week's Weather-Wise, meteorologist Thomas Patrick explains what different factors go into severe weather versus heavy rains.
This past weekend, up to 4 inches of rain fell in parts of central Illinois. Heavy rain events are fueled by very saturated atmospheric conditions, which requires different subtleties than severe weather outbreaks. So while we're standing outside, we can tell just how humid the atmosphere is, and we can measure that using the dew point. On severe weather days, it's usually exceptionally humid, and the dew points are very high. But that's just right here at the surface of the Earth. The upper atmosphere tends to be very dry when it comes to severe weather. That'll differ when it comes to heavy rain events because the atmosphere is actually saturated all the way up. We measure that using precipitable water. Precipitable water would be like taking a wet towel and actually just wringing it out and finding out just how much water it was holding in the first place. But instead, we're going to take the water vapor that's in the air and turn it into rain and measure how much water it's holding that way. Precipitable water values of 2 inches or greater usually means we're going to get a heavy rain event. So higher precipitable water values will favor heavier rainfall and not much hail. The opposite holds true where a drier atmosphere and low precip supercell thunderstorms usually have large hail formation and much less in terms of rainfall. For Weather-Wise, I'm meteorologist Thomas Patrick.